A young boy wearing a red hoodie walks cautiously through a dense bamboo forest, clutching a small map. Sunlight filters through the towering stalks, casting intricate shadows on the ground. Sitting amidst the bamboo, a panda chews lazily on a stalk. Suddenly, it notices the boy and pauses, its eyes widening with curiosity. The boy notices the panda and takes a hesitant step forward, extending his hand with a nervous but hopeful smile. The air feels magical, shimmering faintly with light. The panda tilts its head and offers the boy a piece of bamboo, its movements slow and playful, as if inviting friendship. The boy and panda sit side by side on the soft grass, laughing and sharing bamboo. Their connection feels natural, as if they've been friends forever. A low growl shatters the peace. The shadow of a predator looms among the bamboo. The panda steps protectively in front of the boy, ready to defend him. The panda nudges the boy to follow, and they dash through the forest. The panda leads him into a hidden bamboo tunnel as the predator's shadow closes in behind them. Bursting out of the tunnel, the boy and panda arrive at a glowing bamboo bridge spanning a shimmering river. The predator stops at the edge, growling, unable to cross. On the other side of the bridge, the forest is even more vibrant. Flowers bloom in brilliant colors, and small animals emerge to greet the boy and panda warmly. The boy and panda share a joyful glance before turning toward a winding path that leads into the distance. Together, they step forward, ready for their next adventure.